We are going to the other operation. We are going to drill a hole. But remember, always when you want to do the operation of drilling, you start by creating a center hole to help you drill bit to start very well the hole. We put this drill chuck inside the tailstock. Then we take our next tool. We take also this chuck key. We put the tools inside our chuck. Then we close our chuck. We make sure that our tools is well fixed. Then we reduce the speed. We unlock the tailstock, we move the tailstock. Now it's time to create a spot on this side by using this center drill. Make sure there is coolant. Now we remove this drill chuck. We mount this drill bit of 26 millimeter, and it is also mounted in this sleeve or this adapter. We make sure that is well fixed. We approach the workpiece. We lock the tailstock. Then we switch the machine. Remember, the hole on our drawing is passing through. We are going to drill a hole which pass through. We put coolant. We start drilling. This is the drilling. When you are drilling, remember to pack the drill bit, to turn it backward. This operation is called drilling. But it's better if you are going to drill a big hole starting above 20 or more, to start by a drill bit with a diameter which is the half of the drill bit you are using. Then we unlock the tailstock. We remove the drill bit. We can remove those chips and put it in the chips pan. Remember, our part will be equal to 72. Now here we have 83. If you want, the drilling come before the boring. Now we can start the operation of boring. Remember to remove your tools. If I want, I can remove this tool because it's too long. Now it's time to fix this boring bar. Those are the metal shim which will help the tool to be at a center height of our machine. we want to make sure that this tool will pass inside our job as possible, and we'll make sure that the machine will not touch on the workpiece. We can check as you see, the tool is approximately to the machine height. I remember to tight the tools. Remember, with drilling, we get a diameter of full bore. Although the diameter of our drill bit was equal to 26, now the hole is no longer 26 because drilling will not give you the exact diameter of the hole you want, but we are lucky because there's something remaining before we achieve. We reach to our diameter. Now the next operation is going to be the boring. I can change the speed. Now I'm going to use 620. I touch on the internal diameter. I set this micrometer to 0. Let me do it again. We are going to set this compound rest at an angle of 45 in this direction. 45 is okay. We'll use the same tools used for boring for internal chamfer. So to feed, we can set this micrometer to 0. For example, I remove 1 millimeter. I will check. I need 2 millimeter. Let's check if it is equal to 2 millimeter. It's approximately equal to 2 millimeter just for removing the sharp edge. For the other one, we will use the cutter used for facing. Let's remove this one. Remember, this operation is chamfering. We keep our tool. We take this tool, we remember there is no metal shim. Our tool is at the exact center height. If you want to create this chamfer, we will change the direction of this compound rest. inside, we set in this direction. And for the outside, we reset 45 in this direction. Then we lock this compound rest using our Allen key. Now, we set our tool in this position. Now we switch the machine. Now we'll feed in this direction. Let me set to 0. Remember, we are looking for 2 millimeter. Using this file, we can remove this. Remember, on the left machine, you can do also filing. It's possible. Now it's time to change the position of our combination set, compound list, sorry. We set it to 30 degree always. 30 degree is okay. To use this chuck key, then fix this part on this side. Let's use another tool for finishing. We start by looking if it is located at the exact center height. Yeah, it is exactly at the center height. We don't need to put a metal shim. Let's check the diameter. We can use a chamfer to remove some sharpened edge. Now, our part is finished. It's time to remove this part inside the jaws. We can check dimension, 75. Then this one is equal to 35, exactly. And this one also is equal to, supposed to be equal to 40, exactly. At 40, this big diameter is equal to 72, exactly 72. This little diameter is equal to 50, exactly 50. And the inside diameter, it was supposed to be equal to 28. Now is the 28.0. It's almost 28. Now our job is finished. This is the part which is supposed to correspond to this drawing sheet. For this part, some operation. There are some operation done, like, remember, first of all, we do facing. After facing, we do a plane turning on this side. After plane turning, we use a center drill. We create a center drill by using this center drill. Then after we drill by using 26 millimeter. Then after we do boring by using this boring bar. We get a diameter of 28. Then we change this side. We do facing with the same tools. Then we did a printer turning at a distance of 40 millimeter.